Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to redeem rewards in Globe One app. If you have been earning points from your Globe transactions, you can redeem them by following these steps. First of all, make sure to install Globe One app on your device and log into your account. If it's already installed, don't forget to update it to the latest version. After that, open the Globe One application. On its dashboard, tap on the rewards tab usually located at the bottom of the screen. In the rewards section, you will see your available reward points. These points accumulate based on your transactions. Below your points, you will see your rewards catalog, which lists all the available offers. Scroll through them or search for any specific reward that you want to redeem. Tap on the reward to see its details, then tap on the redeem button. A confirmation screen will appear showing the number of points needed and asking for your confirmation. Review the details and tap on confirm to proceed. You will receive a confirmation message and your reward will be either credited to your Globe account or through SMS depending on the type of reward. You will see that the reward will be applied to your account, and this is how you can redeem rewards in Globe One app.